Hi Jay! So, this is your reading. So, gusto ko lang muna magpasalamat sa'yo for being a member and for supporting the channel. Ayan, so, and ito yung reading na pinromise ko. Sorry na late dami lang ganap. So, sa mga nanonood, if you want to have one of the perks na binibigay ko sa mga members natin, just click the join button din. So, tingnan natin. So, is my plan worth investing in my, investing in for my financial stability? Let's check. Okay, so we have here, una is si Queen of Wands, the Lovers, and the Five of Pentacles. And yung Oracle card mo, No Place Like Home. Alam mo, girl, it's actually worth investing naman eh. However, with andun kasi, well, ganun ka passionin. Fire, so once, fire. So your passion, andun talaga na even your heart is andoon, nakafocus doon sa achievements na gusto mong makuha. And with the card of the Lovers, which is connected to Gemini, andun kasi na ina-advise ang cards na to, na you find and talk to the right people. You build connections sa mga tamang tao kasi you will really need some help around dito. Andoon na may mga kailangan kang kausapin, may mga bridges ka na kailangan i-build, and that will take time. Then, sa Five of Pentacles naman, 5 kasi is about action eh. Kalma ka lang, huwag ka munang gagawa ng any movements. Huwag kayong tipong kasi na parang feel mo lang. No, don't do that. This is a type of strategy. Ito yung time na para kang magiging chess master. You need to plan 10 steps ahead kung ano yung magiging move mo, ano yung magiging galaw mo. You need to make sure na calculated mo. So, itatawag natin calculated risk. Take the risk but be sure you have calculated it. And with this card, that No Place Like Home, it's more likely that a lot of help will be coming from within the family as well. It may not be financial support, but there will be moral support. But, ito yung paalala sa'yo ng No Place Like Home. Hindi dahil kadugo mo agad, automatic na may mga helps na ibibigay. Filter the help. And may mga magsasalita dyan na parang, ay, hindi mahirap yung ganyan, blah, blah, blah. Don't take it in a negative sense. Take it as an opportunity para i-filter. Baka may point sila. Use it to your advantage para makita mo ano yung mga kailangan mo ayusin at alam yung mga bagay na kailangan mong bigyang pansin din. So, I hope nakatulong yung readings sa'yo. Again, thank you for being a member and for supporting our channel. I'll see you very soon. Bye!